Holy cow.
If you want to go look at them, they're in that barn right there. Daddy take you in there if you want to. He's got all kinds.
Good, how are you?
Good, how you doing? Good.
Oh, this is cool.
That is antique.
I know. How much are you selling that for?
$1. It can go.
$1? Heck yeah, I'll take it.
I was playing places.
I know, yeah. I'll buy that.
He said, I remember that. Yeah.
I still have the old consoles.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't know where I was looking last night at my mom's house. I said, where's the console? They got to be somewhere nearby.
Yeah. You guys got a little heater. That's smart.
Oh, yeah. I get cold. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Luma pots.
Slider maker.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even see the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You probably like the slider.
Which one? Slider?
Yeah, he loves sliders. Those are just like spoons.
Thomas. You get him a baby crib. I guess that's it for me.
Okay.
What's that? A train? Lionel Little Lights?
It's not. I got it's a whole bunch of eyes and ears in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh. All right, cool. Thank
you,
you, ladies.
Thank you.
Bless that.
Watch the bottom. So like,
Oh, yeah. Oops. Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, cow and chicken. You're getting chickens? Why? Chickens and 2 geese. Geese? Divida. They are. Girls just want to have fun, dude. What is this? It's a record player.
Jackson's REO Speedway. It's a workout CD.
Hmm. Could be, you never know. No bows, no blades. Bruce Lee, the Master Collection. Starship Troopers. Kangaroo Jack, sealed VHS. I think it is, based on the ad. What's that? Yeah, oh yeah, they're using our products. Yep.
What is that? Blank?
Mm-hmm. Good or no?
Oh no.
No. That's a big dollhouse.
Oh yeah, I just got that from you.
What's that?
That big
Oh,
dollhouse.
that's a big one.
Well, elementary's on plan A, so there's this kid, they can do that. This little kid about this tall came up to the fence and looked
all
at
the
me and
NASCAR your heart desires. There's more in the barn.
Yeah.
$15 each for the.
For the cars? Okay.
We bought 16 cases of them.
Holy
If
cow.
you want to go look at them, they're in that barn right there. Daddy take you in there if you want to. He's got all kinds.
We
Come in there to see the NASCAR, Daddy. They're selling them $10 a piece.
15.
Whatever.
They're $50 cars.
We still got all ones.
Wholesale.
He's got all
Wow.
kinds. Every driver.
Wow.
There's little.
Very cool. Where'd you get them all?
I used to run a flea market,
Oh, really?
and they come out of Asheville. I had to buy them wholesale, then resell.
He was a dealer, so he got them.
Yeah, yeah. Someone's shooting.
That's
Or duck
waterfowl.
hunting.
That's a shooting range right up.
Oh, really?
No, it's waterfowl.
That's cool.
So is there a freaking
Yeah. Yeah. Not a big one, but there's one.
top one? We gotta look at Days Thunder and packages with it.
Ooh. These sealed. Sealed DVDs are sometimes okay. I don't know, man. This is disappointing. Yeah. Man.
That's kind of cool looking little suitcase.
Yeah.
Push the slide that was up and down.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, that is cool.
Might be worth a penny. A little wear and tear. Well, people like those kind of things.
Yeah, that's pretty,
Hipsters
well,
would use that.
I don't know, man. I don't know if I got room for it. I don't know if I'm buying much here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm not into NASCAR stuff. So.
Is that Teddy?
Winnie the
No, it's Winnie.
They're like, who are you looking for? I'm like, I couldn't even tell you I'm a NASCAR driver.
Oh, yeah? Dump it. Okay, I'm gonna dump it. Nice. How much are the plush? $2 for the whole thing? Alright.
My kid had to go to Build-A-Bear all the time.
Yeah.
Now she's too old for that mess.
Yeah. They do grow up.
Well, when she's an only grandchild.
Yeah. Lucky her.
3 for 5? 3 for 5, yeah. What's this? How much, like, 50 cents? Yeah. It's just a blank tape.
Do you still have a VHS?
I do, yeah. I saw you got one for sale over there too, but
Yeah.
mine's a little better.
That's fine. I had one that was I had a DVD player earlier. The Spanish guy
Would
bought
you
it. It
throw
was
this in?
Batman. Huh?
Throw this in? I don't have any change. $5 for all of
Take
it?
it.
Okay.
Yeah, take it.
I got singles though. Here, hold some of my pets.
Alright, your new toys.
Yes.
Yeah, I got a buddy who's into NASCAR. I might call him and ask him.
He did still work. He did still work.
Ask me
Are
if
you
he's-
getting them for a kid?
Yeah,
One of my favorites.
some kid.
Oh gosh, now he ain't gonna
$5.
work. That was the Cadbury Bunny.
Oh. Let me I'm gonna snap a picture of your NASCARs, send it to my
Well,
my
he's
buddy.
in there.
Well,
My
just these
daddy-
guys, just see if he's interested. I'll tell him that you got a bunch more.
There's all different.
Just let him know you're down here.
There's all different drivers in there.
Yeah. I think he likes Waltrip. My buddy. Waltrip guy?
Rusty?
Yeah.
No.
Wallace. Rusty Wallace. That's it.
Rusty Wallace?
Yeah.
We'll come.
Okay. Oh, you got some Wallace stuff?
He wants to see Rusty Wallace. He's got a buddy. He's got a buddy that.
I do have a buddy up in Lynchburg who's big into Wallace, so I could send him a picture and see if he's interested in any of it.
Oh, Lord.
You got some Wallace stuff?
You might have to go digging for it.
Oh, I don't want you to have to.
No,
Don't do a
we
ton of
ain't-
work on my account.
We ain't gonna dig.
Nah, don't dig. Don't dig for me.
And I've got $10,000 worth of them.
Oh my goodness.
Rusty Wallace. I don't even know where to start.
Oh, that's cool. You're not selling that, are you?
You can ask her.
Ask her. Or
My
you.
brother might like that. That's hers, not yours?
Rusty Wallace.
No, he wants to call her.
Cool. Well, no, he might be interested in this too. I'll send him both. Well, no, I don't dig for the car. I really don't want to make a big mess.
Right there.
He probably won't respond. I might have to like come back out.
Oh, Earnhardt flag.
Wow. That's
I
cool.
thought it's in my room.
You know what I found at a yard sale was a Dale Earnhardt tribute guitar.
Yeah.
I found one of those at a yard sale for $50. That was pretty cool. And
Yeah.
it was signed by his kids.
Yeah.
So I thought that was kind of a cool find. Let me ask her if she's selling this.
All right.
And my brother, if he actually is interested.
Yeah.
You selling this? How much?
$2 for it.
I'll do that. Surprise him with it. He's a big gun collector. So he'll be excited. There you go. Thank you. I'll let you know. I'll call my friend and see what he says. Thank you, guys. Got you a little present. A little yard sale present. There you go, buddy.
That is what I have in your house right now.
I know.
I don't have the 17, but...
There you go. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. That first one I went to, I only bought one thing. I bought that PS1, original PS1 driving wheel. And that I sold really quick. I think I sold it for $40 plus shipping. So that was a good find. I think I paid $1, something crazy like that. Also in there was a manual quick start guide for a PS1 console. So it would have come with the PS1 when you bought it. I sold that as well separately for $15. So you do want to keep an eye out for that sort of stuff because that stuff can do well. It was still sealed, so for a collector, that's kind of a really cool item. Second yard sale, didn't really get much. I just thought it was kind of fun. I think I missed a bunch at that sale. I know when I was rewatching it, I passed over a really good DVD, passed over a couple good albums. You know, I've figured something out about myself. If I drive really far for a yard sale, then I get anxious that I've wasted so much time and I do worse picking because I'm like, oh, I've already spent so much time getting here. I got to get out of here. And that one was a 50-minute drive or something crazy because there wasn't a lot of yard sales, but there was one I wanted to get to. So I was rushing and I didn't really, I don't know. I got caught up with the cars and stuff, but they had plenty of decent stuff I should have bought. But yeah, still fun. Still got a couple things. Still made a little profit. So if you actually want to see what these things sold for, check out my other YouTube, NC Flipper. I got my NC Flipper shirt on again. Just go ahead and subscribe to that. That channel is where I kind of say, oh, hey, here's what sold on eBay today. A lot of times I'll pack some stuff up and, you know, they're a little more regular. Usually it's every day or every other day over there because I'm constantly selling things. So make sure you sub to that channel and I'll see you next time.